Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique offering from Slurrp Farm that's making waves in the health food aisle, the Slurrp Farm Millet Noodles.
These noodles are not your ordinary pasta. They're packed with nutrition and flavor, perfect for those looking to add a healthy twist to their meals. These millet noodles from Slurrp Farm boast a blend of foxtail millet and little millet, ditching the usual white flour and frying process for a healthier alternative.
Plus, they're completely vegan, catering to a wide range of dietary preferences. Now, let's talk about what makes these noodles stand out.
They come in a convenient pack of 2, each weighing 13.45 ounces, ensuring you have plenty on hand for quick and nutritious meals. The blend of foxtail and little millet not only enhances the nutritional profile, but also gives a delightful texture that holds sauces and flavors beautifully.
Nutrition-wise, these noodles are a winner.
Millets are known for their high fiber content, which is great for digestion and overall gut health. They're also rich in essential minerals like iron and magnesium, making them a nutritious choice for everyone, from kids to adults.
Cooking these noodles is a breeze.
Simply boil them for a few minutes until al dente, then toss them with your favorite sauce or stir-fry them with veggies for a wholesome meal. They're versatile enough to fit into any cuisine, whether you're craving a classic Italian dish or a spicy Asian stir-fry.
And now, the moment of truth, the taste test. I've prepared these noodles with a light garlic and herb sauce.
The texture is fantastic, slightly chewy yet satisfyingly smooth.
The millet flavor comes through subtly, complementing the sauce without overpowering it.
It's a refreshing change from traditional noodles, and I can see why they're gaining popularity.
In conclusion, Slurrp Farm millet noodles are a fantastic option for health-conscious consumers who refuse to compromise on taste.
They tick all the boxes: nutritious, easy to prepare, and delicious.
Plus, the fact that they're vegan and free from processed ingredients is a huge bonus. Well, that wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in trying out these Slurrp Farm millet noodles, I've left a link in the description below.
Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.